roads. One is smooth, full of comfort and material success, but poisoned with interest. The other is steep, rocky, uncertain, but pure, halal, and blessed. Most people choose the easy road, but what if the harder path led to miracles? This is the story of a young Muslim who rejected riba 3 times, and each time Allah opened doors far greater than he imagined. Interest, or riba, is one of the most destructive sins. The Prophet said, "May Allah curse the one who consumes riba, the one who pays it, the witnesses, and the one who records it." This is not a lecture on law. This is a story of what happens when someone trusts Allah over riba. Episode 1, University Decision. In 2008, at age 17, he applied to top UK universities. But student loans meant riba. Everyone said, "Just take it, you can't go otherwise." He refused. He deferred entry, took a gap year, and worked any honest job. Then, unexpectedly, Deloitte, one of the world's top firms, offered him a placement. At 17, he was earning more than his parents. The firm kept him on every summer and during his studies. That income covered his university fully, with no loans. When he sacrificed for Allah, provision came from where he least expected. Episode 2, Walking Away from Sales Role. In 2017, he joined a fast-growing U.S. health and nutrition brand. With his manager, he built a new branch, 12 staff, over £30,000 monthly revenue. Then, the company introduced financing options, interest-based installment plans. Management asked him to process them. His heart refused. He left, walking away from income and success. Days later, a friend invited him into a new business. It became his first 6-figure venture. Walking away from riba gave him clarity, confidence, and belief that true risk comes only from Allah. Episode 3, The Dream of a Home. He long dreamed of buying a home in cash, no mortgage, no riba. That meant years of saving. But he asked, what if I cover my rent with passive income instead? This question led to property management. He built a rent-to-rent model with the goal of earning £2,000 a month. Today, that business turns over about £800,000 a month. Conclusion: avoiding riba is not easy. It demands sacrifice, patience, and struggle. But when you choose the harder road for Allah, blessings descend. Provision arrives from unexpected places. And the heart knows, this is from Him. To the student pressured into loans, the couple considering a mortgage, or the entrepreneur tempted by easy credit, the message is simple. Say no to riba. Trust Allah. Walk the harder road. Because your Lord, the giver of gifts, never lets His servant lose when they sacrifice for His sake.